Every dream begins with a sunrise. Imagine waking up to the sounds of nature, fresh air, and endless possibilities. Live where nature welcomes you every morning. A pollution-free zone surrounded by clean air, pure water, and wide open spaces. Perfect for your family's peace, health, and happiness. Strategically located on the Hyderabad-Warangal highway, right near the spiritual hub of Yadagirigutta. This is a booming Tricity corridor with upcoming airports, textile parks, and IT zones. JSR Group Suncity offers safe, secure, and legally approved open plots. A future-ready investment built on trust, transparency, and tradition. From wide roads and glowing streetlights to a 24/7 secured environment, every corner is planned for your convenience, comfort, and peace of mind. Enjoy world-class amenities, themed parks, walkways, cottages, weekend homes, and more, all nestled in an eco-friendly atmosphere. And here's the special offer. Book your plot now and receive a beautiful weekend home absolutely free. Create memories, celebrate togetherness, and make your own weekend retreat in a community that feels like home every day. But hurry, this offer is for a limited time only. Your opportunity to own in one of Hyderabad's fastest growing corridors is now JSR Group Suncity, where your journey to health, harmony, and happiness truly begins.
JSR Group Suncity, మీ భవిష్యత్తుకు బంగారు నిధి.
For more details, visit our website jsrgroupsuncity.com.